pressure now.
Again.
Come on, that's it.
Done.
Now. On to the second one. Come on now. Hang on a second. Are you ready for this?
So Craig's only got to go one kick to beat Neil. Here we go. Oh!
You didn't even beat Neil. You're still winning. It's a draw. Is it? Well, at least he's almost fired.
I think he did, didn't he? I'm sure he coughed.
Good work, Harry. Can't fault you.
Who set that one up, Chris?
Everyone, I think. I think everyone in South Wales and South West had hands on that thing. No one can take credit for it. There's too many fucking hands in the pot, isn't there? Mike Noble now. Here we go.
Here we go.
Oh, here we go. Good work, Mike. All now down for the tongue doubles. Turn the key the right way next time again. Maybe. Yeah, I wouldn't want to say that to you, Mike, because I might offend you. Like, it looks very clean.
At least he polishes his bike, he said, Chris. You could have polished yours.
I could have, to be fair, couldn't I? Like, yeah, bit of effort in there.
Yeah, could have.
It won't start, but
Looks nice.
yeah, main thing, isn't it? Next on then.
Betty. I thought it was Luke from Party of the Pen. But it's not, it's Betty.
Come on, Benny.
Oh, here we go.
If your thighs are the size of your arms, you'll be fine all day, like. Yeah, my turn now, I guess.
Here we go.
Okay.
Chris's event.
I was going to can he win his own
Yeah,
shoes?
a bit room to win, wouldn't it? Donate to someone. Never mind, you did that on purpose. He didn't want it to win.
Better be kicking the thing already, so. Next up, Southwest finest. Yeah. Doing it for the old motors now.
This one's cold as well. He's going in dirty.
I've heard that.
Too much confidence
Yeah,
there.
you need to warm it up very much, did you?
Yeah, I would have warmed up.
Back to JP then.
What's